there was a dead possum or raccoon just there too. Ugh, that's why it smells so gross. Well, plus the water smelled gross. But all that trash was back there from, I guess, possums or raccoons or somebody accumulated it all. But how gross. And he said that he's been doing this for a long time, so that he's done it many, many times. So I'm glad to hear that. Oh my goodness. Well, it doesn't matter really that Boz and Azaria didn't see this, because there's nothing they could have seen anyway, because I couldn't really go out there. I wouldn't have let them out there. Anyway, I do still see a lot of bees flying around. Anyway. Okay, I'm going to go for now. There we go. So you said that you found just only a teeny tiny bit of honey.
A little bit of honey only in the side. But all this is like the suns, you know, like.
So why is there no honey?
After the bees come out, they fill everything. They put the honey on, and they put the eggs again to grow more bees.
Okay. So in other words, it's young.
Yeah.
Okay.
And after the bees come out, they fill them up honey again.
Right.
And they put the eggs.
The new baby.
To where the new babies come.
And so
so
I can see the larvae, the little babies. They're white. Interesting. But let's see, what was I going to ask you? Don't forget, this is your pot.
Yeah.
You can dump it in that one. But so how do you know you got the queen? You could see her?
Well, when there's a bunch of bees right there,
you're just assuming you did.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we basically, we cannot take all of them because it's a lot.
Of course. You know, there is still a lot. Wow, there is still a lot. What is this on the tree?
Oh.
What is that?
Well, the tree is damaged.
It's damaged.
Yeah.
And that's from something else. That's not the bees.
No, that's not the bees. Because
okay.
You see at the top, you have all over.
I know, you're right. So it's damaged, you think. That's what's from.
¿Les tapó ahí?
Ahí no se sale.
¿O no?
No.
Oh my gosh, you know what this is? From the raccoons.
Yeah, I stay something died.
All the trash from the raccoons.
Yeah, the raccoon make a nest right there.
I stay die the guy.
Gosh.
Yeah.
He find that the raccoon is dead somewhere right there.
Ew, no wonder it smells so bad. There's the tail.
Yeah.
Ew.
He find it.
Or a possum. Or a possum.
Maybe it's a possum. Yeah.
But we did have raccoons.
Yeah.
And possums and squirrels. Oh, they're still looking right there. They want to do more. They want to do it again. See, look over there. They're all accumulating right there again. Do you think they'll start again?
No. We take almost all the bees still.
They're getting in the hair. Oh, but I just have to videotape this for everybody to see. What a perfect place to find. With just those few bees that we kept seeing flying around, it was huge. Well, I mean, they must not be Africanized, right? Or he would have already been stung by now. Looks like they're 3/4 successful. But they're almost done. It's so cool. Shoot, the whole plant wasn't recording. And he's taking out the big pieces right now. Shoot, I'm such a dork. Alligators. That they're dogs. Oh my gosh, I can see the hive. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Can't see because, oh my gosh, there's a lot. Because they said to come in. I want to see. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. There's so many more than I thought. Oh my gosh. I can't believe there's this many. I'm gonna go, don't worry, don't worry.
Oh yeah.
Is there a hive? Can you see a hive?
Yeah.
Yes. I believe there's so many more bees than I thought. Oh my gosh, that one man doesn't have gloves on and I'm so concerned. Oh my gosh. I tried to get him to put gloves on, but he wouldn't. I cannot believe there's this many. I gotta go next door and warn the neighbors to keep their dogs.